Hello and welcome to another Not Big Clive video. I'm Not Big Clive and this is not a video. Now this is my very expensive tool. Very expensive. Bent in a horrible culinary accident. Oh, it was terrible. Okay, we're going to open this up. This, by the way, is a... Oops, there we go. Okay, this is a car charger. It keeps blowing the damn fuse. Right, let's see what's going on. Okay, crack the damn thing open. Ah, yes. Oh yes, easy to come apart. And there's a circuit board inside. And... doesn't seem to want to come apart too easily. Okay. Question is, what's wrong with it? Well, I'm not 100% sure, so we're going to draw a circuit diagram in Big Clive style. Okay. Whoops. Here we go. Here's the circuit diagram. There. Circuit diagram is completed, and I think we can all understand why this thing isn't working. It's commonly known as a piece of Chinese crap. And there you go. There's been another wonderful Big Clive spoof video. Thank you.